We're rolling, we're rolling, we're rolling. Mac Studio Fix NW45. I am going to use it wet today. It can be used wet or dry. I have used it dry many times, but today, Mac Studio Fix Press Powder Foundation, we are going to use it wet. Keep watching. Let us see how everything turns out. Watch the video to the completion so we can see what it looks like on my face. I have moisturized my face. This is my 59-year-old face. Very oily skin. Now let's start. My Real Techniques brush and my Juvia's Place setting spray. I'll use that to wet the brush. And then put the wet brush into the powder and on my face. That is how we're going to do it today. I'm not putting the brush in water. I'm just wetting the brush to use the powder wet. Now that the brush is wet, I'm going to take it and put it in the pressed powder foundation. You see the color, it changed. You can see it's, you see the color, it changed. You can see it's wet. But this is how we're going to use it today because we want to see what it looks like wet. And in the next video, I will do a comparison with one side wet and one side dry. But I have lots of videos in my pressed powder foundation where I'm using MAC dry. This is the new formulation. So far, I've not noticed if it oxidizes. I use it all day long on my face and I never remember to check and see if it changed to that. When I put my makeup on during the day in the morning, sometimes 8, 9 o'clock at night, I'm taking it off because I'm doing other stuff. I exercise with it if I'm exercising in the afternoon. And I mean like dancing and walking around the house. And I'll keep it on all day. So I'm gonna do my eyes because we want to see exactly how it performs wet. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. Please remember to share this video with someone else. If you or anyone suffering with any form of ailment, please seek help. Help is always available. We just have to reach out. Is it me or it's looking darker? I'm not quite sure. To me, it looks really dark, wet. Tell me what you think in the comments. Okay, now I have all of this on. This is what the pan is looking like. And it will dry because you can wear this dry or wet. Today I'm going to use a damp sponge. It's more wet than damp, but we're going to use it. Let's see. I just want to make sure everything is sitting right. Because I use it wet, I'm not going to use a brush on it. That's why I'm doing the sponge. Always know that you are important. Always know that you belong. Always, always know that you are loved. Love yourself a little bit each and every day. Other people don't have to love you, but you have to love yourself because you live with yourself 24/7. MAC wet on my face. It is looking really good from where I'm sitting. I wet the brush with setting spray, used the powder foundation, and then I took a damp sponge, which was more than damp because I still need to squeeze it off, and I went over it. And this is what it looks like. Tell me what you think in the comments, how it looks wet. If you look at my other videos, I've always wear it dry. This is the new formulation of the MAC Studio Fix Plus Powder Foundation. So I used it wet. Thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate you kindly. Please hype this video, share it with a friend, And until I see you and you see me, keep living life to the fullest. Keep living life to the fullest. I love you. Bye.